Another miracle money pastor don't come outside again. And this one they happen inside Delta State. We hear say as this pastor begin pray, say make money they appear inside people account. Before we go see again, members begin come outside. They claim say hey, true. Money don't enter their account. My people are beg. Make na follow me watch this one.
Yes, sir. If I be a man of God, yes, sir. Miracle money appear. Amen. In your bank account. Yes, sir. Let miracle money appear. Amen. Somebody will favor you. Amen. Somebody will favor you. Amen. Receive miracle money. Miracle alert. Miracle money. Appear. Appear. In your bank account.
There is a lot here.
Alert has come.
Yes, sir.
Ayakata kata. Ayakata kata. Can I do miracle money here?
I need miracle money.
It entered just now. Just now. Just now.
Man of God.
Talk to me.
He said it's still standing more.
Is sending more.
Yes, sir.
Is it coming? Ayakata. Ayakata kata kata kata. 146,000.
Sir, this one is $5,000.
Eh?
$5,000.
Eh?
$5,000.
$5,000.
Power.
I want to be a billionaire. I want to be a billionaire. I want to be a billionaire. God of money, give me more money. God of money, give me more money.
All these new generation pastors on no go kill us inside this Nigeria. And see one person there they claim say $5,000 enter in account. In which it is very obvious say this guy na Yahoo boy. Your clients pay you, you can't they claim say na Jesus credit you. You think say people when they watch this thing na mumu. And this money where this guy they claim now almost 2 million. But in fact, I don't even blame this pastor. If not be Pastor Suleiman will bring out this one. I'm not sure say this pastor said go come get moral. They come as I say it's a phone call they do it own. Say miracle. In fact, this thing even they possible. Make we talk and true. And later now this pastor go come outside. They ask in congregation say make they contribute money. He won't build church. He won't do this one. Why be say you know go call the angel where carry these people? Say make they can't give you this money, make you use and build your church. Some people, in fact, I'm not going to talk to some people. It be like say some people inside this Nigeria, we know just they wise. We know one day wise at all. Because this one now, pastors just they turn this into business. Everybody go come outside, they perform tricks, saying they perform miracle. And our mumu Nigerians, they go follow. They follow this church, say yes, now they reigning church. Now where miracle they happen be this. So now or later, the time where all of us go realize, say all these things are lie. They better for us. Because if say this man fit truly turn money into people accounts, he no go come outside they beg people now. People they come outside when they drop offering, and you get money, you they credit people, but people still come outside they drop offering. On that thing say people know wise. But anyway, for those of now if you say this one are now own personal problem. To me, nothing even dairy about this thing. I sure say they don't collect these people account number for back. Come they share this money put inside their account. And if you sure for this church, if you now say true this in the work. Make na just clear us. Carry these people phone. Show us the account number. Show us the account details. If we see Angel Mike, Angel get, in fact, we go accept. But again, we go confirm, say true, this one they work. Make na stop to the bobo also. We don't tire for this matter. My people are here this one. As make a bring and come. Make na service na here. Here what is happening. Anything when I get to talk about this matter, make na don't forget to write and put inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for the next video.